Heart with Mighty House and Clutter Clarity. Everybody asks me, what do I do with my jeans? Do I fold them and put them in a drawer, or do I hang them and put them in a closet? And it's really easy. Where do you have more space? Most people have a lot of drawer space or shelf space, and so that's what we're going to do today. So you take your jeans, fold them, pocket side out, always. Make sure you have the nice little butt seam there, and then fold them in half, not thirds. Fold them in half again, making sure that the pocket's on the outside. And why is that? That's to identify the jeans. Nice fold again. There you go, ready to put in a drawer or on a shelf. Awesome. Well, that was a little sloppy, but next time we're going to talk about hanging them. Thanks. See ya.